Repairs. Restores. Restructures. Your hair. Moisturize plus replenish with avocado olive oils. Moisturize replenish your hair with 6x moisture. Item package weight 1.01 pounds. Ingredients: water, Palicoternium 11, Amodimethicone, Hydrolyzed Keratin, Argania Spinosa, Argan, Kernel oil, Panthenol, fragrance, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, ppg 2 methyl ether, glycerin, PEG, ppg 2 dimethicone, PEG 8, sodium PCA, betaine, sorbitol, glycine, alanine, proline, serine, threonine, arginine, lysine, glutamic acid, linoleic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid, arachidic acid, behenic acid, palmitoyl myristyl serinate, hydroxyethylcellulose, PEG 8, SMDI copolymer, cetrimonium chloride, TRIDECETH12, acetamide mea, polysorbate 80, disodium EDTA, citric acid, aminomethyl propanol, methylparaben, DMDM hydantoin. Top reviews from the United States. Great to calm frizz in waves and curls. I have used Infusium for years. I've tried everything but keep coming back. I have wavy curls and this product keeps things under control but is not stiff at all, and smells great. I get complimented a lot.